Well, I don't blame you, Liz. I don't know if I'd want to go in that bay either. I actually thought it was going to be a lot closer. It's down. Doesn't matter. I'm away and I'm going to relax. Wow, that's the sound of peace, serenity. Living off the land, right?